How to delete your Facebook Marketplace account. Now, if you want to delete your Facebook Marketplace account, you just simply need to delete your Facebook account because there's no separate account for Facebook Marketplace. So, if you want to delete your Facebook Marketplace account, you have to delete your primary Facebook account. In order to do that, just simply open your Facebook and tap to these three lines from the bottom right corner. And once you tap in there, you're gonna see the option of settings and privacy. Tap in there and select the option of settings. Then after going in the settings, you will see account center. Select that from the very top. And after opening that, you will see the option of manage accounts. Tap to manage accounts and then select the account which you would like to delete. Then just simply tap to the manage button besides that account, and then you will see the option of deactivation or deletion. Tap to deactivation or deletion and then select delete account and tap to continue. Then select the reason of the deletion and tap to continue again, and after that tap to continue one more time. And after doing this, you just simply need to tap to continue one more time and enter your password in your Facebook deletion page. Then after confirming, your Facebook Marketplace account will successfully be deleted. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.